Luca on the move. Can we get the ball? Can we get it? Can we get the ball? Come here. Can we get the ball? There we go. Luca crawling. 7 months old. He's working on stability and speed, but when he really wants to, he can get around. See? There you go, Luca. Good boy. Good boy. Luca. Oh. Hey. Big crawler. Hello. Hello. What a big boy. Yeah. You're a big boy. You're a big boy.